Honorable Speaker, sir, I, Khushi Kumari from BCom Second Sem, rise here to speak in favor of the motion. I would like to say that the decision has taken by the present CM Nitish Kumar is helping in improving the personal relation among family members. Alcoholism is linked to codependency in relationship as well as abuse behavior, both verbally and physically. It is also adversely affecting children's education. If one, the parent at home misuse alcohol, children can suffer lots of problems. Their parents don't look after them and the child misses school or does not do homework on time or at all. Their parents neglect them and the child doesn't get fed well. They are not comfortable inviting friends home. It reduces domestic violence. So these are the reasons why I am in the favor of liquor ban in Bihar and I support the motion. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I, Sanjali Shreya from BCom Second Sem, rise here to speak in favor of the motion. I would like to say that alcohol causes greater healthcare spending, and alcohol use is a major cause of preventable liver disease worldwide. And any drinking of alcohol that results in significant mental or physical health. So I support the motion.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आकाश कुमार बीकॉम द्वितीय वर्ष का छात्र इस युवा संसद में इस प्रस्ताव के विरोध में बोलने के लिए खड़ा हूँ। महोदय, मैं यह बताना चाहूंगा कि बिहार राज्य भारत के महत्वपूर्ण राज्यों में से एक राज्य है। बिहार राज्य भारतवर्ष के इतिहास में सत्ता का एक बड़ा केंद्र है। इसी बिहार राज्य में ही चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, अशोक सम्राट, देश रत्न डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जैसे अनेकों शासकों एवं विभूति और विशेष लोगों का योगदान है। जो राज्य पहले से ही इतना विशेष है, उसे विशेष राज्य का दर्जा की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। जिस राज्य की भूमि इतनी उपजाऊ हो, जहां सदैव फसलें लगी रहती है, चाहे गर्मी हो या ठंड का मौसम, उस राज्य को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा क्यों मिलना चाहिए? माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, बिहार को विशेष की नहीं, विकास की जरूरत है। यदि भारत का विकास करना है तो बिहार राज्य का विकास करना अति आवश्यक है। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, क्या सत्ता पक्ष यह बताना चाहती है कि बिहार वासियों में अब कोई नहीं है सम्राट अशोक जैसा शूरवीर, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जैसा देश रत्न, जो बिहार राज्य को एक नई पहचान दे सके? विकास जैसे उच्च शिक्षा प्रदान करने वाले कॉलेज संस्थाओं एवं विश्वविद्यालयों का निर्माण कराना चाहिए। और इसी के साथ मैं इस प्रस्ताव के विरोध में अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Honorable Speaker, sir, I, Adarsh Nair from BCom second semester, rise here to speak in favor of the motion. I would like to say that there is a lack of proper infrastructure in Bihar. Some industries establish their plant in other states except in Bihar due to various types of reasons. Due to lack of industries, manufacturing power of Bihar is low, because of which our state GDP is moderate. If Bihar gets a special status, then many industries will be set up, which will increase the manufacturing power and state GDP too, and also bring a lot of employment opportunity in the state. So special status should be given to Bihar, and I am in support of this motion.
Okay. Honorable Speaker, sir, I am Mahima Kumari from BCom first year student, rise here to speak in against the motion. I would like to here inform the House that why I am against the liquor ban in Bihar. Because liquor ban is loss of revenue, state government and liquor company paid a huge amount of taxes. And these taxes are the state source of amount. And goes much at this source, can I repeat?
Honorable Speaker, sir, I, Suyash Agrawal from BCom second year, rise here to speak in against the motion. I would like to say that due to liquor ban, people are shifting to other types of toxic materials like drugs, cigarettes, weeds, and many other things, which are more dangerous for human health. Those substances are affecting the consumer as well as their family's health too. After banning liquor, there is a heavy loss of revenue of approx 5,000 crore per annum, which is a huge amount. This amount can be used by the government for the growth of the state. Because of less revenue generated nowadays, inflation is increasing day by day on the basic regular use products. So because of this increase in inflation, I oppose the motion. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I, Mahima Kumari from BCom first year, rise here to speak in against the motion. I would like to inform that House why I am against of liquor ban in Bihar, because liquor ban is loss of revenue to state government and liquor company paid a huge amount of taxes. These taxes are the major source of state government resources, which goes much down. The state lost downward of rupees 4,000 crore in revenue annually in last year. Due to liquor ban, this listed government bid to source of 29,713 crore in previous fiscal year would take a bid and hit. There would be a big shortfall from exercise and related GST and liquor product. That the person is wanting liquor, we are find a high rate of means black rate. It means a very profitable business in Bihar. So due to this reason, liquor ban is good politics but bad for economics. So I oppose the motion.